The FS flat bag filter is operated with efficient reverse air cleaning. The connection between the cleaning air valve and the cleaning carriage is achieved by a telescoping pipe. The air valve, above the cleaning air radial fan, pulses air which inflates the filter bag during the cleaning cycle and creates an airflow opposite the filter direction. The cleaning carriage moves from one filter row to the next, initiating the cleaning cycle on each row. The detached dust cake is prevented from caking on neighbouring filter bag rows during the cleaning process, as the adjacent filter bag rows are offline during the cleaning process. The horizontally arranged filter bags are precisely fixed in the housing and supported by a felt-covered filter bag support.